frog hunting, garden checking. Mini split day. I ain't got a mini split to put in the back of this camper thing. Got to figure it out and install it. So that's a lot of fun. We'll see what we can get into here. Cut some holes and stuff. First step, get our vacuum or our lines out, straightened, and hook up our electrical. I just give you a little wire. It's got to run. It'll run that quick, and then get that ready to get mounted from the inside. That's where we got drill holes and stuff. So, uno momento. All wired up, wired and numbered, and all good to go. Mounted. Now we just gotta make a hole. Make a hole. Clean up the outside part. So let's go do that quick. That should work. Yeah, I can make that work. Now I gotta feed the thing through the thing and not mess up the things. Got it. Not a whole lot to it. Oh, the day got carried away on us, but we did finish the install here. Got our lines ran through the hole, down in there, a couple of loop-de-loops, and then around through the thing. Got our connectors all plugged up and dialed in. Got a clamper down. I don't have the right size clamps, so we'll get her secured, but that's how we're gonna do her. Little engineered, but it works for what we need, I think. I got to get a vacuum pump. It comes tomorrow, and then we'll put a vacuum on it, make sure it's all good to go. Tidy up a couple little things, like make sure it's level. You know how these freaking cargo carrier things go. Make sure everything's happy, and then put the vacuum on it tomorrow, and then hopefully we can fire it up. It's gonna be cool, well, hopefully. Trees. Sneak video.
Filmed my measuring system.
Did ya?
Yeah, you're supposed to tape measure in this fork and measure 5 feet that way. Some fast growing little trees for this property line. I'll put them 5 feet apart like they say, 3 feet off the property line. It's a good way to mark and measure this stuff. Operation Grow the Little Trees for Privacy has begun. It's going to take a couple years. They're fast growers, right?
Oh, this works.
They go up there quite a ways. I broke the last fork, so it's hard to see, but it's up there.
Well, we'll get some flags while we're out for you. Final step in the mini split. We have a vacuum on the lines to suck it down and make sure everything's good before we release the coolant and get it started. So it's got to sit there for about 30 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes. We pumped for 20 minutes. Now we just close her up and let her sit for 5 and see if it goes down, or if we have any leaks. Should be good. Alright, now we're all juiced up. Let's see if this thing will work. That's quiet. Nice. See if it gets cold. Yep, feeling cold to me. A couple hours of running and it seems to be good. We're gonna wrap this stuff up with the UV stuff and clean it all up and enjoy the AC inside. A couple hours in and got her maxed out, and it's nice and cool in here. So quiet too, that's the important part. Nice and quiet. You can hear yourself think instead of just a constant drone. Chili's got the right status for today. We're just relaxing. Oh, he said, I'm done watering the flowers. Let's go do something.
Stay still. You're gonna knock me down.
Lost my job as a hammock tester. Chili's a hammock tester now. Hi, Mr. Hammock Tester. What are you doing? Laxing? Yeah. Chilling with mom? Nice. That's a good kind of day. Hang out on the hammock. Fall out of the hammock, I guess.
He's a risk taker. He loves it. I'm telling you, we gotta get the little one out just for him.
Let's take a tour of the creek. So, there's road, creek, our shed, creek, our camper's way over there. So, road, creek. So that's what we're doing today, is clearing out the creek. See, there ain't no snags. Water can flow a lot easier. It's kind of like you're hiding down in here. Nobody can see you. It's pretty good size drop, like 6 foot or so. Tour of the creek. Chili's up here somewhere. We'll meet him in a minute. And there's one bridge. There's the overflow creek and the troll bridge. Let's get our tools. Go under the bridge. Hey, there's a chili. Yeah, so we're gonna keep clearing more stuff and things out. Get it, pull on it, pull it out of the tree. Stuck in there good.
Yeah.
Might have to take all of us to get that one. Chili's giving it hell.
It's
all right,
so tangled up there.
I'm coming to help. Are you chasing stuff? I'll take that as a yes. Fishing for leaves. Just scoop a crayfish. All right, back in the creek you go.
So let's have a little food growing season update here. This is our orchard island, as we like to call it, surrounded by a creek on either side and the road. We've got, my loofahs don't look too great, but I'm trying to grow some loofahs here. We might do an arch if they vine up big enough. Look kind of cute over the troll bridge. We've got transplanted boysenberries from home. Our blueberry here, he's trying. He's got a couple things going on there. And then we've got the massive boysenberry cane. He should be alright. A little pussy willow here to help keep the erosion at bay. Not sure if he's alive. And then we've got raspberries and raspberries and raspberries and raspberries and another pussy willow. Don't mind the mess, we were cleaning up the creek. The cherry bush looks like it's got some blooms on it. It'll be alright. We'll see what happens. We've got our donut peach tree that looks thrilled to be here. Lots of blooms. Let's see if we get some peaches this year. Got our Pixie Crisp apple tree. He's coming to life. Looks good to me. Then our Honeycrisp. He's a little late to wake up, but he's getting there. He's getting there. This year we ordered assorted tomato seeds. And you know, I guess maybe we were naive, but we thought that they would come in separate packets labeled. Instead, we got one packet of assorted seeds. 30 different kinds of tomatoes. So we just planted. And planted. And planted. And we protected a couple. Just in case the critters are trying to eat them up. I think I counted close to 30 tomato plants. Something like that. We'll see who gets more, us or the deer. Over here we have a chili dog who is just not listening, so he's trying to be cute. And this is the melon bed. Obviously they're not going to stay in here. It's just marked so we don't step on them or mow them. Keep an eye on them. Again, we'll see who gets more, us or the deer. We've got watermelon plants here, golden honeydew melons here, and cantaloupes there. Should be a tasty year.
It's like a chili race course. He just follows the trench, looking for frogs.
Stay here, Bean.
Ready? Come on, man. Speak. Tell me the whole story. Speak. What else happens? What about the deer? Yeah, and then what'd they do? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Good boy.